Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular grooming solutions, the Philips Norelco Multigroomer Series 7000 and the 13-in-1 Cordless Grooming Kit. Today, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Let's start with the price. The Philips Norelco Multigroomer Series 7000 is priced at $64, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a comprehensive grooming kit. In contrast, the 13-in-1 Cordless Grooming Kit comes with a higher price tag of $99.99, which may deter some buyers. While the Norelco offers great value for its extensive features, the Spaver kit positions itself as a premium product. However, is the extra cost justified? Let's find out. Next, we compare battery performance. The Philips Norelco Multigroomer boasts an impressive 5 hours of runtime on a single charge, allowing for multiple grooming sessions without the need for frequent recharging. On the other hand, the Spaver trimmer does not specify its runtime, which raises concerns about its efficiency. Users may find the Norelco's long-lasting battery a significant advantage for their grooming needs. Finally, let's look at the accessories included with each kit. The Philips Norelco Multigroomer comes with a whopping 23 pieces, providing a versatile range of options for all your grooming needs. In contrast, the Spaver trimmer offers only 13 pieces, which may limit its functionality. For those who value variety and customization in their grooming tools, the Norelco clearly has the edge. In conclusion, the Philips Norelco Multigroomer Series 7000 offers exceptional value with its extensive features, long battery life, and affordability. While the Spaver 13-in-1 Cordless Grooming Kit promises high-quality performance, its higher price and fewer accessories may not be worth the investment for many users. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and reviews.